In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Mailchimp account and add email lists. So first head over to mailchimp.com and click on the sign up button. As you can see, Mailchimp requires subscribing to standard plan in the beginning, but you can also proceed using it for free by requesting a demo. And from there, you can start using Mailchimp for a limited time. Now just fill out all these fields. Then once done, click on the send button to finish creating your account. And once done, of course, log into your account. Now once inside your dashboard, make sure that you complete your profile. And you can do that by clicking on your profile icon at the top right, then click on profile. And here, make sure that you fill out your basic information and that they are all correct, including your website. Then go to settings, then details. And this as well, make sure that you fill out all the fields correctly. Make sure that you added your business name, website, and physical address, where this information is required for email compliance. Then next in the left panel, go to audience. Once you created your account, Mailchimp automatically creates your first audience list and click on Add Contacts. So here you have an option to import your contacts, add a single contact, and you can start uploading a list from a file like CSV. And once your contacts are added, you're now ready to start sending email campaigns with Mailchimp. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!